Welcome back to all. Today I am present here to discuss about the second chapter of your 8th class biology, that is microorganism friend and foe. In this word you will see here two words come, the microorganism friend or foe. Before starting this concept of microorganisms, first I will tell you about the other organisms present in surrounding us. In our surrounding there are different variety of organisms present, and in this different variety of microorganisms, plants, animals are present in a huge amount in our surrounding. And about these plants and animals we discussed in our last previous classes also, and but this chapter microorganisms are the main part of your 8th class biology chapter. In this chapter, what's the specialty of microorganisms come in this word you will see. This word we make with the word of two words, the combination of two words, the microorganisms, and you know very well the mean of micro here. What's the mean of very micro over here? A very small organisms which are not able to see with our naked eyes. So, which organism come under microorganisms? They are that organisms which are very small. Means they are very small. So they are not be able to see with our naked eyes. Means if we are sitting anywhere, na, if you see many things here and there, na, just seeing this tree with from your naked eyes, you are not imagine ki how many bacteria, how many different type of or microorganisms in present in our surroundings. So these organisms not be able to see with our naked eyes. For see this organism, which one instrument is used. So this instrument name is microscope. So with the help of microscope only, we are able to see different type of microorganisms. So in this chapter we discuss about the what's the meaning of microorganisms we are discuss at a time also, and the instrument in by which we able to see these microorganisms, that is microscope. Just I take here a very simple example in front of you. When we see a curd under the microscope, na, then you see there are huge amount of microorganisms present in this curd. And this amount of microorganisms present in curd, that is beneficial for our body. And some organisms who won't be beneficial for our body and who won't come under our friend. Means who won't be beneficial for us, they are come under our friend, na, like this those organisms which are advantageable for us and which have a many benefit in our life. So those microorganisms are come under the friend of our. Okay, and about this word foe. Foe why come here? Foe means enemy. What's the meaning of enemy? Means who one be not good for us. Means who they create a many disadvantages in front of us. Okay, so here we discuss about the microorganism as a friendly nature also, as a enemy nature also. Means here we discuss about the advantages of the microorganism also, and in this chapter we discuss about the disadvantages of microorganism also in our daily life. So here in this video only we discuss about today the friendly nature of organism in front of us, and after in second video we discuss about the enemy nature of the microorganism. So here we discuss about first the concept of microorganisms. What is how many type of microorganisms present in our surrounding. So first we discuss about the meaning of microorganisms. After this we discuss about the type of microorganisms. Microorganisms. There are 5 main type of microorganisms present in our surrounding. So those names are, first one is your bacteria, second one is your fungi, third one is your algae, fourth one is your viruses, and the fifth one is your protozoa. So these are all the main types of microorganisms. And now one by one we discuss about all the type of microorganisms and how it is be beneficial for us also and it is be harmful for us also. First, we discuss about the bacteria. Bacteria, what's the meaning of bacteria here? They are the unicellular organisms. Unicellular means whose body is made up of only one cell. Unicellular organisms, and they cause many diseases also like cholera, typhoid, that is be caused by the bacteria. Okay, or they always be living colonies, means a group of the bacteria living together. Fungi always create a skin diseases, means any patches of your skin, any scar, anything be disorder of your skin because of the presence of fungal disease. Okay, and after this algae, you all know algae is a microorganism and this also able to do photosynthesis, means they are mostly algae are come under the beneficial effect. They have no any disadvantages in our surrounding. And after this viruses are not be a part of microorganisms because according to scientists they are not come under living also and not come non-living also. And why they are known as they are not non-living and they are not living? Because they are be non-living if they are be present in our surrounding, but if they are be gone in our body, inside our body, they take nutrition from our body and get active. So means inside our body, these viruses make a host to our body and they take all the nutrition from our body and our body is not able to do any work. So this is be the very important harmful effect of this viruses inside our body. So that's why this corona disease also come under the viral disease now. So these are that's why this also said by many doctors now. So ki corona is not non living also and not non living also, because non living in our environment and living in our surrounding. So this is about your viruses. So after this viruses, what come? Protozoa. Protozoa create many diseases like malaria. Malaria is caused by protozoa. Malaria means who will be spread by the mosquitoes. This mosquito disease which will be transferred from one organism to another organism and who will make the host to our body also. So that is under the protozoa disease. Okay, and after the discussion of type of organism, first we discuss about the where these organisms live. Means where this organism present in our atmosphere, where microorganisms live. These microorganisms live in any area. Means this is not be like this key, this is present only in this area, this is in any climate condition like in hot spring also they are present, in ice cold also they are present, in normal environment also they are present, in if we discuss about in any means in any marshy land also they present, in any moisture area they present, in anywhere in our atmosphere these organisms are present, even inside our body also they are present. So these microorganisms present in every source of our surrounding. If we take anything also, we don't know that there is this microorganism also present in this thing. So if these organisms are present everywhere they are present. Okay, and after this where this microorganism live, after this we have a topic of primary nature of the microorganisms. Means we discuss about the benefits of the microorganisms. Benefits of the microorganisms. There are huge amount of benefits of microorganisms. Means they play a very important role as a friend of our body also, our environment also. First we discuss about the first friendly nature of the microorganisms, that is making bread and curd. Okay, if this microorganisms is not present in our surrounding, this is not possible to make curd and bread. How this curd and bread make? Curd be made with the help of of microorganism, and which microorganism has bacteria, and in bacteria which bacteria have to be changed milk into curd, that is the lactobacillus bacteria. Lactobacillus bacteria help to be changed milk into curd. And but if we discuss about the bread, what's about bread we discuss here? Bread are the bread helping to be in the fluffiness present in bread because of the presence of bacteria. So bacteria also play a very important role, and other microorganisms also play an important role to be making bread. So bread, this all making curd, bread will be with the help of your microorganisms. So this, if we make any bhatura dough also, na, so in bhatura dough time, what is able to be make a fluffiness to anything, bread also, cake also, that what is be present in this, that is be yeast. Yeast is also a microorganism. So in all these things, na, what is be able to be make it fluffy, microorganisms are very beneficial for us for all this work. After this, commercial use of the microorganisms. In commercial use of the microorganisms, what come here? Commercial. Commercial मतलब in a big scale. Commercial use of microorganisms means it have to be make alcohol. Alcohol in a factories be made with the help of microorganisms. Okay. And second one, after alcohol, what come here? Wine. Okay, and wine also, vinegar also. So on a large scale, if we want to make all this thing, alcohol, wine, vinegar, this is be made with the help of microorganisms. So here also microorganisms play a very important role. So this also be used in a big scale to make many things. Alcohol with the help of which process it alcohol made? With the help of fermentation. Fermentation. And which fermentation occur here? Sugar. When the sugar fermentation occur, then it change the sugar into a alcohol, and in this case what is be released? Water also and carbon dioxide also. Okay, so this reaction, this fermentation is be completely in the absence of oxygen, means oxygen not play any role in this fermentation. So this fermentation and this changes of the commercial use of the microorganisms is be based on this change into sugar into a alcohol, water and the carbon dioxide. That is also a very important part of our microorganism in our body. Now after this we will discuss about the medicine. All the medicines we used in our daily life, this is also be made with the help of microorganisms. Even if we discuss about the penicillin also, penicillin is also be made with the help of microorganisms. So all these things, all the medicines we use in our daily life, this is be based on the microorganisms activity. By the help of microorganisms, this all the medicines are made. And after this, if we discuss about the antibiotics, antibiotics means who will be used for decrease the bacterial effect inside our body, means who will be anti of any disease. So these all the antibiotics also be made with the help of microorganisms. Okay, and here streptomycin, if I write the example of all this, terracycline. So all these medicines are made with the help of microorganisms. So this play a very important role in case of medicines also. Means medical uses also be done with the help of microorganisms. And vaccines also. Vaccines means all the injections we make with the help of microorganisms. Cholera, tuberculosis, all these injections are made with the help of these vaccines are made with the help of microorganisms. So this play a very important role in our medicinal line also. And after this we discuss about the soil, increase the soil fertility. They play a very important role to increase the soil fertility also. And how they increase the soil fertility? Our topic is here, how they increase the soil fertility. And in your last classes also, we will discuss about the rhizobacteria. In our 7th class in nutrition in plant, how this plant and a plant get protein from the soil. So this rhizobim bacteria, what's the play the role by a rhizobim bacteria? They provide a nutrients. They provide a nutrients, especially proteins to the plant. So this help in increase the soil fertility also, to make the soil fertile also. So this is also a microorganisms which help to increase the fertility of the soil. If fertility of the soil is increased, so with the fertility increase, the growth of the plant also increase. So this also play a very important role in agriculture. The soil fertility also be increased by the help of microorganisms. So after this you have a cleaning use of environment. So this also play to be cleaning of our environment. How they clean the environment? They clean the environment by the help of decomposition of the waste. Decomposition of the plant and animal waste. Decomposition of the plant and animal waste. Animal waste and change into harmless products. So this is also be done with the help of decomposition of the microorganisms. The microorganisms also not be present in our surrounding environment, it is not be able to be make manure from the decomposition of plant and animal waste. So decomposition of the plant and animal waste and change this plant and animal waste into a manure. This is also be done with the help of microorganisms. So microorganisms play a very important role in our life. With the help of microorganisms, it is be very helpful to be make curd from the milk, bread fluffiness also, bhatura dough also, and other bread, cake, whole we think we make fluffy by the help of microorganisms effect. And after this, on the base of alcohol, wine, vinegar, all these things are made with the help of microorganism. So and medicine line also they are play a very important role in vaccines also, they play a very important role to increase the soil fertility also, they play a very important role. Decomposition of plant and animal waste they also play a very important role. Thank you so much.